right, Jacqueline, those triple digits are sticking around, so we definitely want to talk about your AC system. And I have Jeff Myrmo here from B&J Refrigeration on today's new notebook. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having us. I appreciate the opportunity.
Great, great, great. And how will the phase out of R22, we want to start off with that. A lot of people talking about this. How will the phase out of R22 affect the average homeowner? The
average homeowner will be affected in terms of price, in terms of repairs, in terms of availability. R22 is a refrigerant. That's the liquid that moves inside of your air conditioning system, carrying heat from different points within the system.
Okay.
That's the critical part that makes your air conditioning system work. And as it no longer exists, the existing compressors and parts and any of the moving features that rely on this for the movement of heat, it's going to be more and more costly, more and more difficult to replace those parts.
All right, so for homeowners wanting to update their cooling systems, what are some of the options that they have?
I'm glad you asked, because there are a lot of new and exciting options. New equipment includes inverter-driven systems. An inverter is a DC motor that changes speed to give you only the air movement that you need, and the computer thinks about the way and the volume of air you need at a particular moment. Air conditioning systems, including ductless mini splits, are a fantastic way because they operate at high SEERs, up to 33, depending on the system configuration, and allows you to zone your house, meaning that you don't have to cool the whole house at the time when you just want to have comfort in one area of the home.
All right, so a lot of different options there. Jeff, thank you so much for coming in again. Again, he is from B&J Refrigeration. Make sure to check them out. Great information. We'll be right back after this.